I'm Charlie Cerati, and I'm here with Dilip LeMay, the chairman of OEM, that's Online Energy Manager, to talk about their incredible breakthrough with algorithms that support an ECORE platform. Dilip, tell us just to start with some 101 on air conditioning. What is a central cooling system with a chilled water loop?
A central cooling system generally has a chiller or a set of chillers combined with fans, pumps, air handling units, and cooling towers. The chiller essentially generates chilled water that is sent to the building's users, whether it's a hospital or a hotel or an office building, to cool the various rooms where cooling is needed.
And the chilled water loop, is that a subset of a central cooling system?
Yes, the chilled water loop is a subset of the chiller system. The chiller itself consists of a compressor, a condenser, an evaporator, and an expansion device. And then the chilled water loop goes through the evaporator back to the building where the cooling is needed.